No, don't bark, please. Pretty please. No barking. Right now. Hello, everybody. What up? How's everyone? Are we ready for this day? Sorry. I'm having a day. So, we've got this. We have got this. Hell yeah, we have indeed got this, right? Right. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. It's gonna be good. Anyways, how was everybody's everything? Go, that's what I wanted to do. Sorry, I'm getting there. Oh, some guy, what up? How's it going? How's it going? How was the rest of the day? Did you trade this whole time? Some guy? Did you have a break? I didn't even ask. I know that Monday's your day off. Do you go anywhere in between? No, some guy. I'm actually having a really, really bad day, but I'll be fine. I will be okay. It is what it is, but we have got this. That's now done. Amazing. One thing at a time, right? Yes. One thing at a time. DJ, what? How's it going? Oh, nice, DJ. You just got home. Okay, wait. Last thing I gotta do, I gotta get the multi-chat open. Then you guys don't just think I'm talking rubbish to myself, which I do. I do that quite often. But anyways, DJ, how's the market been treating you? How was Friday? We got out for a good long walk, got rained on a lot. Oh, okay, so that sounds good. That sounds good. Some guy? Sounds like a good day. You know, nothing wrong with a little bit of rain to wake you up. Get you going in the morning, right? Okay, so it's now officially taken there and there. Ooh, these were nice juicy equal highs. So that's now been taken. Are we now going back up to that 4-hour fair value gap? Okay. Okay. London low is here. Dun dun dun. I can breathe. I think I can breathe. I'm trying to breathe. I'm gonna do my best to not allow any emotions to take control today. Trying my best being the key point. Indy, is this Project X? Yes, it is. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, some guy. Things happen. Joy of travel, how are you? We'll go back. I've taken another BTC scalp short and the 1% profit locked in. Oh, nice, some guy. Okay, whoop whoop. Look at you go. So Bitcoin's still going down. I'm sure some people are not too happy with that to say. Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And it's cold and rainy here today. Well, I say cold and rainy. It's not actually that bad. It was drizzling. It's not pouring down like it was yesterday. Like I said, yesterday was, why did I say that? Yesterday was very entertaining. Yeah. But we have some time. Let's get nerdy up in here. Are we ready? Okay. So I won't say these glasses are very good luck. I've been having some, well, I've been having losses since I've been wearing them. Maybe they're bad. Maybe I can see too much. Maybe I'm starting to overthink things. Nah, some guy, you know I was better today. Joy of travel. How was London session? I mean, I had a loss, but better in the sense of I was being more mechanical about things instead of letting emotions and feelings get involved. So, you know, was red, but but it is what it is. It's very logical. I had a slight retrace absence this morning, so short the retrace, meditation, all block, and 3 minutes structure. Oh, nice, some guy. Okay. Awesome. I love it. Logic is the way to go. Joy of travel, how's it been going for you? How was your weekend, by the way? How was everyone's weekend? Anything super amazing happened for people today? You got a surprise day off? Take rest day for being out of state for more than 30 days. Damn, Chosen Bean, look at you go. That is awesome. Surprise day off for the win. I love it. So what are you doing on your day off, Chosen Bean? Are you just gonna chill? Okay. We have, how much time do we have? 4:21. We got like 10 minutes left. 9 minutes left. Let's mathematically. Right, some guy. Oh, days off would be magical. Oh my goodness, the hiccups for days. Right now I'm doing laundry and have some errands. Laundry is just the worst. Like, you know, washing them and hanging it up, sure. But then the folding afterwards is just a nightmare. Let me talk about people getting more rights. I mean, Joseph, you care. I just don't know if it's relevant to this channel. But I mean, yeah. Some guy, that's exactly it. Adulting. Some guy, to be fair, that is what is frustrating me today. This adulting thing, I'm over it. I'm so over it. I want to be a kid again where I don't have to worry about any of this rubbish anymore. I'm so done. Wait, you hang dry just to postpone folding. Yeah. 100%. Okay, Joseph, well, there we go. Well, welcome, troll. How's it going? Can I call you troll? That's rude. Anyways, what up? When we were kids, we didn't appreciate how easy and simple life is. No, not even a little bit. I want to go back to being a kid, please and thanks. It was so much easier. I'm not gonna take this obviously because opening is soon, but I'm curious. Let's see how this goes. Trading, you want me to do your own washing. Ah, Andrew, look at you go. You know what? When you got a point, you got a point. I just gotta keep at it, right? Ugh. And it's hard. Like, yeah, I've been having a few losses recently, which obviously sucks. And the missed trades that should have been wins, but it is what it is. We carry on. Hey, Rolf, what's up? How's it going? When life just comes and slaps you out a bit. Yep, 100%. I hear that. GMG, hey, how's it going? How am I today? I'm okay. How are you doing, GMG? Ooh, yes, please. I'm saying I was talking about how I was an adult. Now I wish I can go back and just slap myself. Chosen Bean? Reach. Like, you know, I didn't enjoy school, but looking back, all the holidays you got when you were in school, amazing. Like, I would not mind having all those holidays again. Looking now, kids are off 90% of the time. I see a kid and I'm like, what's happening? Oh, it's midterm. I'm like, didn't you have a holiday 2 weeks ago? Yeah, that was whatever. I'm like, why? Why? I would like to have that many holidays. That's the goal. At some point in the future, I want a PA, take care of all the miracle tasks my life. All those bits I don't enjoy, that just suck my time. You know what, some guy? One day when we're big and strong, right? That's what I keep telling myself. One day when we are big and strong, we've got this. We have got this. I'm trying Be positive over here, people. Life was still hard as a kid. Demonte, you're not wrong. Life was still hard as a kid. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to say life was easy as a kid. I just feel like, you know, when adults say it's one thing after another, it is indeed one thing after another. I really thought they were just being overdramatic. I was like, it's not that bad. It is one thing after another. And then you feel like you sort one thing out and you get excited and then something else happens. You go, nope, never mind. Ignore me. Hope you have a good session. Oh, thank you, Andrew. A very good. Cold after a 10k run, but you're okay. Damn, GMG, 10k run. Look at you go. Hexa, you don't do marketing? I mean, this isn't marketing. Stock markets? We just didn't have, yeah. Nice, some guy. I was in the military, no holidays. No, I got out and I get every national holiday. Oh, nice, chosen bean. Well, that is amazing. Assuming you enjoy those holidays quite a bit. I mean, you have an amazing day off today as well, which is awesome. So much rain and cold and sad here. Oh no, Laura, why? Rain and cold and sad. You know what? It's rainy. It's not cold, or else you know me, I would be in like 10 layers. But it's rainy and sad here too, so it's okay. We can all be a little bit miserable together today. I don't know, that sounds terrible. We are not miserable, we've got this. I'm just being a negative Nancy, so just ignore me. Aw, GMG, thank you. I appreciate it. You gonna stick around, GMG? Let's see how this goes. Remnant, what up? How's it going? It could always be worse. Be grateful for what we have. Don't focus on what we don't have. You know what, Rolf? Coming here being the glass is half full. It's good. We sometimes need that. We do need that when we're being little negative Nancy's, hey? My body needs those breaks. Damn, chosen bean. Yeah, I can imagine. That's not easy. Can we be rainy and sad together? That feels better, Laura. Love it. Yeah, BA for a while. Nice, GMG. I'm well. How are you? You know what, Remnant? I'm okay. I'm getting the ranting out now, right before the markets open. I'm frustrated. It is what it is. I have to start potentially looking for a new yard for Finn, but it's fine. We're gonna carry on carrying on. Oh, sheep. What time frame? I'm on the 1 minute currently. I have gone and looked at the higher time frames, by the way, especially during the London session. I mean, this is a 4-hour fair value gap right above. We are still very much in a bearish market though, but it could potentially pop up into there. Let's see. But yes, I'm currently on the 1 minute to answer that question. Short story long. There we go. Oh, Roman, thank you. You're so sweet. Have I played D&D recently? I haven't, GMG. Do you know how sucky that is? I haven't been able to, you know, again, being an adult, it feels like half the time you're busy with earning money, and then the other half, you're trying to do the chores, you know, like cleaning and folding and washing. And then there's an itty bitty little bit in between where you have time for yourself. It's just so small. It sucks. Frustration, and then what you would like to have. I'll wish that for you. Thanks, Laura. I appreciate that. Rolf, you think short? Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. What do? We swim. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Here's opening. Let's see. Obviously, I didn't have this set up. So I'm, you know, curiosity always gets the best of me. Let's see what it does. Bet pointers. Markets are now open. Let's focus. Heyo, David, what's up? I sound like a new adult, am I? No, I'm just hurtful. Does that make sense? I've been having to adult for a while. I've been living by myself since I was 18 years old. So, you know, things happen. I'm a dungeon master and half the people I play with at the moment unable to. See? GMG, also that you're a DM. I love that. I love that. Maybe we should do an online, because I know Boom Banana also plays D&D. So maybe we're going to have to organize an online campaign, and I'm so down for that. Jody! How are you? How was your weekend? How was KZN? Huh, damn, it would have been a win. Look at that. Look at that. Maybe I should have just stuck with that. Oh well, moving on. Let's see if this is the first presented fair value gap and if it's going to respect it. Not this one because it's on the minute, but maybe this one will be. Let's maybe not assume things either though, but let's see. That sounds like plan, right, GMG? I like this plan. I like this plan a lot. Damn, David, speaking of adulting, you got it rough there, my man. Oh, trending so hard. Hey! Shahid, how's it going? Well, that skull short was stopped out at break even. That 1% is... Get out of it. Ah, some guy... Well, 1% is better than nothing, right? Got back like 2 hours ago. Damn! What for? Bunny time reach. Mission complete. Did you drive? Did you fly? I think I asked you this already. I'm sorry. How was art? Was actually, it was awesome. Holy cow, what the heck, man? Well, I did say I was expecting it to go into that 4-hour fair value gap. Here we go, I guess. Whoa. About to tap into it properly. Let's double check. Was it the 4-hour or the 1 hour? Sorry. Now I've just blinded everyone. Was not the 4-hour. Tis the 1 hour. Yes, I just said tis. We're going with it. Yep, literally tapped into it. Oh shoot. It's actually an inverse fair value gap. We're gonna fill this gap potentially. Maybe hit the order block and then continue in the bearish trend. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I'm sure you guys are used to that by now, right? I talk to myself all the time. When will the AI bubble break? I have no idea. NFT, I am from South Africa. Where are you from? Get back to the 1 minute. Okay. Let's get this mamma jamma working. So it was indeed the 1 hour. Oh my gosh, what did I mark there as well? But this, at least I know, is the 1 hour fair value gap now. Marked that. This is now done and done. Previous day high sorted. Cool. This is just sprinting off without me. Where you going, buddy? Where you going? Damn! 170 points. Boom. Within what? 4 minutes. Cool. Hi from Uganda. Ah, hi! How's it going? I'm sure you can. This is a great place to learn. You're from India. Welcome, welcome. Nice. What a way to start a Monday. Aw. Thanks, GMG. I appreciate it. Am I... Who's that? Jurgen? I don't even know who that is. I think I'm tired. Bad idea to jump in like this. Yeah, Geordie. Yeah, especially... Yeah. I get it. I get it. I mentally actually try. Maybe it's not a great idea to mentally try and decompress on the charts, but it's giving me a break from reality. So you know what? Screw it. It helps. In a weird way, it helps. Am I your dad? No. Anyways. Oh, hey, Maxie. How's it going? No rush opportunities, endless capitals. Not yet. Josh Gee, I don't know what that is, but okay. What up, Santosh? How's it going? Silver Bullet Trader, how are you? Are you going good? Is it amazing? How is everything? I mean, this would be a good entry. Let's see. Oh, don't click anything red or green. Yep, that's where we at. Music very chill. Fits well with the lighting. Oh, thank you. As the DM, I'm sure you know how well those work together, right? Right? I don't know if you play music when you DM. Like the background music. Sorry, random. OSBC $200 book. Okay, Santosh. Good payoff. Hey, Only True Trader, how are you? How's it going? How you been? How you doing? If you are a Friends lover, you know where that comes from. Just saying. Okay. Popped in 4-hour fair value gap. Tapped. I'm just gonna want to fill this gap. Let's see. Jordy. Oh, thank you, user JN3FO2UU7Q. Nailed it. How's it going? Hey, Silver Bullet Trader. You know what? I'm good. I can't complain, right? Can't complain. We have indeed got this. Of course, music, lighting, terrible accents, my speciality as a DM. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I am useless with accents, like, in general. Even recognizing them. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Hey, Rambo, how's it going? How you doing? Hi, life. Yeah, that was okay. Yeah. It's part of my frustrations today, but it'll all be okay. It'll all be okay. Let's do this. Ow. But anyways, Jordy, I hope it was a decent thing. GMG, is it bad that I've never played D&D with a drink in hand? Rambo can't complain. Can't complain. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? Everyone that didn't join on this morning, how was everyone's weekend? Was it amazing? Did you have some... did you go touch some grass? Did you have some time off? What did you guys do? What happened? Well, I'm waiting for something to happen here. Let's discuss that. Hey, David, be nice. Nay, what? You're asking if I can handle spicy food. The answer to that is no. No, I cannot handle spicy food. I am absolutely useless when it comes to spicy food. I am a big baby. Just putting it out there. But definitely a big baby when it comes to spicy food. Is it bad that I like this? Probably. I'm going to see. I'm not going to place. If it rejects nicely off of here, I might place a stop. It rejects off. No, not there. Wrong level. I want you to hit the first presented fair value gap. Come on. And then go back up. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir. Go down. Unless you are rip. Ma'am, I guess. Rambo, nice. That's all you can ask for. Giblet? No, I don't, which is why I'm learning. You are correct. BC's market. Oh, that's not fun, Santosh. Oh well. Context, you asking who my broker is? So, well, I'm using top 1 futures right now. You mother fluffer. Come on. Go down to the first presented. What the heck, man? Didn't even hit something. Yeah, did it? No. No. Rarig, wat die moed. 15. Nope. Okay. Back to the 1. I definitely didn't shamelessly reach what me see and book in another 1% profit. Of course not, some guy. Of course not. Why would you do that? Right? Why would you do that? 932 is more important fair value gap. Why is that? Rambo, out of curiosity. What got me into trading seems super complex. It is indeed. Basically, I was, if you will, as adults do, they like to complain to one another with regards to work and life and stresses. And I was complaining to my friend who is a trader and basically complaining about the freedom, the financial and like financial freedom, freedom with regards to work and having a boss and needless to, that was not English, needless to say, here we are. They showed me the basics and I thought, let's document this whole journey. So like I said, I'm not here to pretend I'm profitable or that I'm doing absolutely amazing. I'm still learning. There is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn. But here we are. BTC money pro. I mean, used approach tools. Second. We used approach tools. I think exactly on AQ or 50%. Okay. Yeah, basically BTC. Not wrong. So, that's me stepping away from charts for the day unless one of my TP or swing levels alert go off. Nice, some guy. Okay, look at you go. Long made 2K. I'm done. Ooh, nice, John. Look at you go. That's amazing. She's still baby. Yes, I am. Thank you for clearing that up. I wish you the best in your trading. Oh, thank you, GMG. I appreciate that. So, GMG, what do you do? What's funding ticks? It's prop firm. In her 40s, high life. Rude. Absolutely rude. Strongly disagree. I'm close to my 30s. GMG, really? You do? That is so cool. Any super awesome ones? It is respecting. Damn, okay, there's some Game of Thrones stuff going on around here. Let's see who wins, buyers or sellers. You've been creating content for over 12. Damn! Is this now what you just do every day, GMG News? Let's go from 1 to 140 is close to 30. I mean, some guy, you're not wrong. What a cute meow. Oh, this morning. Ooh, damn, GMG News, that's awesome. I got some Pokemon cards, I just don't think any of them are great. Like, they're not, well, no. I don't think there's anything special. Let's put it that way. Oh, nice, BTC, that's awesome. I'm assuming you're doing well, right? Wow, High Life. Okay, so what I'm hearing is in basically a week, I'm 40. Is that what I'm hearing? Oh my gosh, yeah, in basically a week, I'm 40 years old. Rough. That's rough for me, I'm not gonna lie. That's something tough I need to chew on. Oh, what am I gonna do? And Lipsies, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, it's now my full-time job. GMG, that is so cool. I'm not gonna do it. Pokemon is the best. Thanks, David. Pokemon trading scene popping like that. High Life, you're gonna longer NQ. Nice. Like I said, this would have been in. Risk to reward, just not worth it, unfortunately. For me. For me. What's my favorite Pokemon? Eevee. I really like Eevee and all the evolutions. I think he's so cute. I know that's probably very basic. It's super basic, but Eevee is just so cool. High Life soon. I know, I'm gonna be, well, according to High Life guys, I'm gonna be 40 soon, so bear with me. I mean, what can I say? I got the glasses and everything already. Did I take the opening long? I did not, John. Oh, thanks, Samkai. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Let's get this show on the road. I don't even know what the show is, but we are here. Let's do this. Hey, David, there we go. Oh, hi, you see? Welcome, welcome. How are you? They didn't let me in. It went up before I entered. No, High Life, I'm so sorry. Get to this point. I've also got a lot of friends being self-employed like myself. I like helping people. Aw, I love that, GMG News. That's awesome. Oh, okay, Ditto's good. I do like Ditto. Why Squirtle? Sorry, that sounded very judgy, but out of curiosity, why Squirtle? Sorry, this got very nerdy. Different type of nerdy, but got very nerdy. Oop. Like I said, I'm waiting to see how it reacts here. If it goes down, pops here and starts going up, I might do a stop limit. Let's see. I wanted to be cheeky. I wanted to actually place it here. A limit at 0.2. What's this? Like 2 contracts at 0.2. Put 1 contract here. Like I said, this feels cheeky and like I maybe shouldn't be doing this. And that I'm too long. Oh, too late. But it's fine. However, it did do what I wanted it to do. A good place and all. Sorry, I'm just thinking to myself, let me guess, this is your special strategy entry model? No, Pepper Tribe, not really. James, I was looking for a long. Nope, David, I know what that's. Shush. Just let me a dragon. Like to both streams now, I need $500 trade. Thank you. Well, let's see, High Life. If you do get one now, don't lie, that would be cool. This. Just watching the volume level. Oh no, did I have the right idea and it did not get me? No! I even tried to set up the trade and it didn't come back. Oh, dag nabbit. Wait a minute. Did not work in my favor though for that. So I'm really talking to myself a lot today. I apologize, guys. You get to hear the wafflings of a mad lad today. I am the mad lad. Welcome, welcome. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Maybe I should have marketed it. No, I'm bad at marketing and I should not do that. Oh, hey, James. Sorry, I see I missed that. My bad. James, that is amazing. How long have you been trading for? Everyone always picked Charmander for the Stunner, so I naturally chose Squirtle in your everyday game after you use the Water Stunner. Like, Turtle's probably the reason I love Squirtle. I guess that's valid. So your trading screen doesn't show the fall. Oh, James, sorry. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I did try and place a buy stop here, but I was too late. I could have been in this long. I mean, it's nice to know I had the correct idea though, right? I should have been in this long. I even placed it. But too late. It bounced a little bit too quick. This morning in London, I had a nice trade but lost 2 because I was too impulsive. No, Merc, I'm sorry. At least you're in break even. That's okay then, right? Yep, 100%. Break even's better than nothing. I did that 5 times a day on accident. It hurts. Now time to watch it do exactly what you wanted to. James, yes. 100%. Look at it go. There it goes. Came down beautifully into this first presented fair value gap. It's popping up off of it. This does kind of destroy the soul a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but again, it's nice to know I had the correct idea. Well, for now, let's see. It looks like sellers are back in control. Let's see though. Party, what's up? We might start ranging. No, coping trades. Don't say that. Missy, hi. How are you? Let's be positive right now. Coping trades. We will not start ranging. We have got this. I think the next question with this trade, because it was a little bit different, would I have looked for TP here, or would I have looked for TP rather by these equal highs? Equal highs? Equal highs. It's never not gonna hurt, but you nailed the setup on the entry. Oh, thank you, James. I appreciate. Well, let's see. Maybe it goes back down. Nope. It just likes to taunt me. I swear the charts are watching sometimes, and I swear they think this is funny. But it burned me out a bit. Sorry, Mercia. It's quite soul-crushing sometimes. So wait, some guy, you're now down, right? You're gonna just chill. I couldn't enter too. No, High Life, what happened? Oh, thank you, James. I'll stick with that. High Life, are you also looking for a long, by the way? Yeah. Normally it touched my zone. Oh. Can you please get one more low? Are we pinballing again? Kind of. Maybe not. Hi, Life. So why didn't you take the trade, by the way? Says me. But still. If they're gonna come stop me out this one too. Once I'm stopped out or it dumps, I'm closing chart. Okay, some guy got it. Noise. Can respect that. Oh no, High Life, sis. No, couldn't set order. Oh, High Life, I'm so sorry. Coping trades, am I the only one looking for shorts? No, I'm pretty sure there's a few people looking for shorts. Right? Is anyone out here looking for some potential shorts? I just like the look of the buy. And I think it wants to fill sorry, it's the 1 hour fair value gap. Or at least start filling it. But sellers could be in control here, so, you know. Nope, never mind. Sugar honey iced tea, did I miss this one? Yeah, this one was a little bit more risque, but yes, I did. Yes, I did just say sugar honey iced tea, and like I said, I do apologize. I know I'm talking to myself a lot today. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna pretend the madness is normal. I mean, to be fair, I feel like you guys have been watching long enough to know it kind of is. The madness is just normal. It is what it is. Joy of travel, no going long today. Okay, so you're looking for shorts. 94900s. Aha, so midpoint of the fair value gap. Right? Is that your reasoning for that? High Life? Yes, no, maybe? Are we kind of on the same page or not even close? You know, asking for a friend. If we do start ranging here, I will be unimpressed. I'll be unimpressed. Needed to tap me in. Okay. Mother flubber. Yeah, that kind of hurts, doesn't it? That wasn't very nice. Took out some internal now. We're gonna start taking out some external. This is chasing though. This is chasing. We do not chase. Even if we want to chase, we do not chase. Looks like the buyers officially won. Coping trades, right? What's up? Why? Kamal, why did you lose lots of money watching this? I don't do fair value games. I have different kind of findings zones, but it mostly works the same way. Oh, interesting, High Life. Okay. Yes, I did. Well, I'll go along if it taps me in. Cool. I delete my limit order. Now it's gone here. Is anyone long on gold? Kamal, why are you copy trading? Or no, maybe copy trading is the bad idea. Just BT dubs, this would have been headed towards a win. Yeah, stopped out. That's me done for the day. Oh, sorry, some guy, but at least you are still green, right? Green is green. Well done. Gonna go game of it. Ooh, what game are you gonna play? Oh, the problem is if it takes out there, then I don't trust it to come back down. But this could potentially, if it does. Nope. There it goes. Cool, cool. Frustrating, but cool. Again, I did try and place the buy stuff. Oh well. Good day today. Right, exactly. What's that? Your EKG? No. Well, maybe with today, with the spikes, it could be. Who knows? I think I'm gonna stop till I'm a bit burned. Oh, sorry, Merc. No, why? Ooh, a Halo Infinity. Nice. I say that, right? I'm not good at those games. I am terrible at those games, so yeah. Okay. So, I mean, this looks like it would have been good. How disappointing. Bit of retraces again. Less promising. How long will it take you to get a payout? Cinema Core AI? Good question. No idea. No idea. Oh, cheers, some guy. Enjoy. I hope the game treats you well. Yeah, but it was okay. Yeah, it was okay. Yeah, he's good. Well, he'll be fine. Chandra, what's up? How much have I wasted money? Not that much. Why? Day trading doesn't work anymore. I'm continuing to stay on what should we have? So what do you do? I feel like I butchered that. Priya, oh, my GAN box settings. There we go. Joy of Travel, you're in a long now. Nice. Where's your TP at, Joy of Travel? No, it wasn't him. Yeah, wasn't him, David. It was humans. Always humans. When in doubt, the things that stressing me out are humans. I feel like that's an upset. That would have been such a nice freaking trade. Damn it. It's fine. It's fine. Has Geordie gone? I feel like Geordie's gone. And now we continue up. Damn, High Life, it's going to hit that level beautifully. Priya, you are welcome. Joy of Travel 25200. Damn. Joy of travel? Okay then, why? Why that level? Jordy, that is amazing. Backs away slowly. I can just picture that that gif of Homer Simpson just fading into the hedges. That's the image that just popped into my head there. Okay, took out high. We are now starting to fill the gap. Let's check the 5 minute. Sorry, let me stop hurting your eyeballs. Where's the lucky duck today? I haven't seen the lucky duck. Where lucky duck at? Okay. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Awesome sauce. And it's raining again. You can just hear it in the background. Oh my gosh. I can place one contract. One. Two. Oh, I've missed a bunch. My bad. Point of control on Thursday. Oh, okay, cool. No lucky duck. It looks like it, Merc. Oh, I don't know where lucky duck is today. Already done that thing, yeah. And my 3 got confirmations. I'm just not happy about this. Why do I feel like it's gonna come back down to the first presented one last time? Aw, hey Kaden, thanks. Buy your stocks. Well, okay. What are your stocks? You seem like you're on a mission. Can appreciate that, I guess, in a weird way. Is taking control, kind of me. Wait, there's only True Trader here. Only True Trader, are you still here? Yeah, I don't think Only True Trader's here. No. Is he? Only True Trader? Nope. Hey, Safeworks. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, so not... Well, yeah. Trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Need to get out of my head a little bit today. Wow. I am completely in my head. It's fine. Okay. Got this. Got this. Space World. Unfortunately, I do not I do not, Space World. I'm assuming you do. Right. How's it looking? Little rejection off there, little rejection off there. Nope, now we're going down. 1, 2. This is a B setup at best. Because it don't be looking great. Get it? No? Yes? Maybe? Come on. Come on. That was a goodie. Damn, everyone's being quiet today. What's up, guys? Everyone's being so quiet. So weird. Why are we all being so quiet? What do you think about AI bubble? We're gonna blow up soon. Everything is okay in the market. To be fair, I don't know enough about that to give much of an opinion. Sorry. I don't know. Everyone has different opinions about it. What do you think? I'm going bankrupt. Mark, you know what? I hear that. I feel that. It's rough. It's so rough. Looks about right. Because I didn't take it. Where would 1 to 1 be? There. I'm starting to really not enjoy Mondays. I'm gonna start being Garfield and absolutely hating Mondays. I do like lasagna. Maybe Garfield is just the way to go. Gotta love and respect Garfield, right? Ah, David. If only. Gosh. Might be doing better on that. Huh. Maybe that's the next. No, I'm joking. I will never do that. It's weird. It's weird. I think there's some problem with liquidity right now in situation worse in December, but I'm not sure what triggers some crap. I've heard again, so I've only been trading since April, just for anyone that is new. I've only been trading since April, you know, things it is what it is. I've heard this time of year is quite challenging. Again, I don't know. I've heard mixed reviews. I've heard some people say it's actually quite fun to trade in December. I've heard people say, don't do it. Thoughts and opinions on trading end of year? Thanks, David. Oh, gosh. Jordy, what do you think about trading December time? What does everyone think about trading December time? Seeming as everyone's being so quiet today. Damn, are you guys good? The fluffer. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh well. It is what it is. Let's do this thing. It's iffy. 18 months has been nowhere close to the market's usual behavior, so it's fair game at this point. David, you funny. Hey, Raphael, how you doing? How's everything going? A decent bank in December 2023. Not so much last year, though. Okay, so it literally is just gonna have to wait and see if a lot of people are going on holidays or not, I guess. There's not gonna be as many people active on the market. Does that make... I'm sure that will have an influence on impact, right? I don't know. Like I said, I'm still new to this, figuring things out. You know what, Jordy, at least you missed the flipping G20 down here. Do you know what a nightmare it was at the airport because everything was closed? I did somehow manage to pick the wrong time to go down to Joburg, but it's fine. Sit upset, take the trade. It's literally our job. Money management 101. You know what, Jordy, when you're right, you're right. You just stick with it, right? Just gotta continue and stick with it, no matter what. I'm not loving this right now. Not loving this right now. Imagine it now goes up. Probably will. Just cause I said that. Sorry guys, I know I'm being a little bit extra quiet today. I apologize about that. My sister gonna watch gold 1 hour, downtrend going for Game Parker and here have a rare speaking of trader, as you can see. Listen here. To be fair, Geordie, I tried to get into this one. I did try. There's evidence. I did try to get into this one. I was too slow. This one, however, you got me there. You got me on that one. You really, really did. You got me on that one solidly. It is what it is. How much money do you need to trade for a living and not work at all, in your opinion? Wait, guns and gaming. What do I think of long-term stocks like Vanguard? Oh, sorry, guns and gaming. I don't know much about that. Anyone know much about... Is it called VOOG? Vanguard ETF? But with regards to long-term stocks, again, apologies, I don't know much with regards to the long-term stuff, but there's lots of people here that probably do. Yeah, Jody, and it's been a long day. Even Wall Street traders aren't clicking much on a Monday. Oh, see, so then, you know what? We're just here to deal with a Monday together. That's where my brain's at. We're here to deal with a Monday together. I've had VOOG in 2016 and never lost 500 companies. If one does bad, it's replaced. Okay. Jordy, I don't know if I've ever asked you this, Jordy. Do you invest as well, or do you only day trade? I don't know if I've ever asked you, sorry. Only good trade was the FP entry, right? Only true trader. And like I said, I did try and get in on it. I was just too slow. I was just too slow. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Yeah, so this is day trading, Guns and Gaming. Welcome, welcome. Day trading is intense stuff. Intense. In a lot of aspects. But no, I don't mind you asking at all. So I'm still new, so I'm still figuring it out as well. Guns and Gaming, it's a lot. Too indecisive is the word. Yep, so are you talking about the market itself or me? Neither are incorrect. Just that. If you ever want a safe, not skyrocketing stock, thank God, Google is great, but it's slow growth, like 13.6 year growth. I mean, that's not bad. How long have you been investing? Guns and Gaming? Me. Yeah. I'm not gonna argue with you on that. This one, like I said, though, was a big setup. And this one, again, I did try and enter in on this one. I was too late. But I did try. Literally. Popped it up and everything. Oh, thanks, David. Since 2015. Always been into crypto after the fluctuations. I got into safe stocks. Nice, okay. And how do I ask this? I don't know how to ask this. Can you live off of only doing that? Does that make sense? Like, maybe not yet, but could you potentially live off of only doing that? Got the usual RA endowment or whatever, but dividend paying ETFs for a minute now. Okay. No way near the SMC of course, but it keeps the salary going. Okay, Jordy. Damn, I didn't know that. Interesting. Guns and Gaming, I'm looking at the NASDAQ futures. And so we've lost some volume. Lost some volume up in here. So that's fun. Made over 78k profit now over the year. I'm very happy where I'm at. Got 1080s. Damn! Okay, Guns and Gaming. And do you do anything else, or do you live just off of that? Sorry, this is like super personal questions. You don't have to answer. You can be like, listen, stop. But I'm just genuinely curious about it. Yeah, Merc. It's like that you could potentially live off the interest rate. I mean, that would be awesome. Oh, that would be the last. Yeah, it's right there at full range. Joy of travel. So are you still in this? Or go ahead. You still in this or no? Are you out? So I know you're in along. Right now I'm living at home, unemployed. Damn, what the heck happened to your shoulder, Guns and Gaming? That's rough. Sure, that's not fun. What the heck, man? Oh, Joy of Travel, you're still in this? Nice. Okay. Are you in break even? Have you taken partials? What's your thing, Joy of Travel? It is, Jordy. It is the ultimate goal. It's just a lot. There's everything else. Guns and Gaming, I'm so sorry. That's not fun. the cheeky part of my brain was like, I could re-enter on this. But being the keyword. It's playing in your stop loss. Oh, no, joy of travel. Okay. 11 years. 1 years just to invest apart from what we're spending. Yep. The odds we're still in is in 20 years from now. Geordie, do you want to immigrate? Immigrate? Where would you want to go? To be fair, I've also considered it, but you know, it's South Africa is just so beautiful. It's so complicated. Income, yep. Got 30k from that. Invested all. I have to see. Okay, now I need them. Damn, guns and gaming. I love the goals. I love the goals. 22 years old, got into trading a month ago and lost around 100 euros in 6 days. Damn it. Paper trading. What would you advise for a beginner trader like me? Just started to learn. Ah, well, you know what? I'm also figuring out some things, so welcome. Paper trading, definitely a good way to start with regards to finding your strategy. After that, I would recommend, in my opinion, prop firm. Again, to get the emotional side of it out of the way. So paper trading for strategy, prop firm for the emotional and psychological side. And after that, then I think you get to go with just normal funded accounts or live accounts. Right, that was a super quick explanation, but I hope it kind of answers some things. But welcome, by the way. Last few days, I would stay on. Hey, Ricky, thank you. Am I okay? I'm okay. I'm okay, thanks, Ricky. Ricky, how's your day been going? So, McCall, how many times can you enter in a day? I guess I want to say as many as you want, but obviously it depends on your prop firm. But yeah, if you're a day trader, depends on your strategy and how many entries you get. Thanks, David. Fresh. Yeah, Jordy, I love the goals. I won't ever leave, but my environment is highly dependent on what they go. Jordy, you know what? That's valid. See? That's my opinion as well. And some people are like, no, you must move. And I'm like, no, South Africa is so beautiful. South Africa is amazing. Need to learn all the different trading now. I know long term, I know crypto charts, etc., but I don't know how to show. Ooh, guns and gaming. Listen, it's quick. It's awesome though, and now we are just ranging. It's quick and it's a lot, but it can be a goodie. Oh, joy of travel. What platform are you gonna trade on? Standard repeat green days for now. Nice, Ricky. Okay, that's amazing. Whoop whoop. Fast orders. Guns and gaming. You cool. You cool. You can stay. I like you. Okay, all that still looks good. Now we just continue. Nope, stop it. Hey! AD, what's up? How's it going? Please increase song voice. Wait, what? Increase song voice? What's that? I'll join them next week. Oh, okay. What's so exciting about it? Out of curiosity. Sorry, everything I ask is kind of out of curiosity, but yeah. What's so different or exciting about it? Regular chance have I tried? I have never tried crypto. I've never tried crypto. It scares me a little bit. Yeah, it scares me a little bit. Oh my gosh. I feel like I need to tell you guys. You guys will appreciate this. Ugh. So on the flight down to Joburg, sorry, I know now I'm rambling and it has nothing to do with the charts, but I can't do anything until it stops going sideways. So, and luck's for me, I guess. You know, naturally on the way down to Joburg on the flight, I had to sit next to someone who was super chatty. So chatty. Which is like my version of hell. Not gonna lie. Thank heavens it was a quick flight, but wow. Just wow. Do you want to hear how he started the conversation? I'm not gonna lie, I laughed because I wasn't expecting it, but do you guys want to hear how he opened the conversation? Okay. Aw, Kieran, thanks, that's so sweet. I shouldn't think I want to invest into Bitcoin is different, it fluctuates a lot, but always been good. I've gone. Okay, nice guns and gaming. Yeah. Yeah, that's very expensive. That is ridiculously expensive. But anyways, what I was gonna say, oh, this man's on the airplane started with, did you know? Okay, so now he like super intense. He's like, did you know? Every 60 seconds in South Africa. Now I'm like invested. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be some hectic stats going on. It's like every 60 seconds in South Africa, a minute goes by. Like I'm upset that I laughed at it, but I was genuinely invested, thinking I was going to hear some awesome stats, and that came out of his mouth, and I was like, okay, well, I can't be mad because you're not wrong. It was, Geordie. It was an old dude, and he was telling me all about his divorce and his kids and his new wife, and I was just like, I haven't asked you anything, but you know, he was giving me his whole life story. If it makes him feel better, awesome. David, that's amazing. I don't know if I would ever have it in me to actually hurt someone accidentally. I don't know. I've never been at that point. I get the skeptical, go to zero, but I'm like, when Bitcoin's backed by our government now, I'm gonna have to. Ooh, interesting. Guns and gaming. Interesting. Okay. How much time do I spend? I'm on the charts 4 hours a day, guys. I'm not profitable yet. I should actually be spending longer and doing more. I'm being very harsh on myself right now, but I do need to start doing a little bit more. You know, start increasing, being better, if you will. But yeah, I spend 4 hours a day on the charts. 2 hours for the London Open, 2 hours for the New York Open, or around, you know, around there. And I feel like it's not enough. Maybe it's too much. Maybe I need to go touch. Yeah, there's debates about that. There's debates about that. We can get into an argument about that. Judy. Oh, thanks, Golden Gaming. Yeah, guys, don't forget to please like this chaos that is Monday. Like I said, I apologize in advance. Everything just feels chaotic today, but yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to show some extra love and support, any of the prop firms in my description below, you can get a discount using my affiliate code, which is TeachMaya. Oh, David, this sounds like a very interesting story. March? I was looking at buys. 4 hours, why? What do you mean, why? Do I have travel? Why not 14 hours? Damn, Merc. I think my head will explode. I spent 14 hours. Oh, David, shush. I do not have a feet finder. I'd be a lot richer if I did. I would say I'm joking, but I'm a little bit scared that actually, no, maybe I'm not. Merc, how long do you spend on? I don't think I've ever asked you. Okay, well, we've broken above there. Geordie, I hear that. I need a nap. Well, Geordie, there's no point in napping now when it's like 5:30 at night. Oh my gosh, it's raining solidly. Wait, Geordie, so you were here for the storm last night? Down in KZN, I'm assuming? You were here for that massive storm last night? Aw, cheers, Geordie. Taking it. I must become a good trader. Mm-hmm. Dave, I mean, you also need to go sleep. No, Sean. Damn, Joy of Travel. Well, okay. Joy of Travel, again, how long have you been trading for? I know you've told me this, I apologize. But how many years have you been trading for? Hey, Theo, how you doing? Welcome back. A lot of time, not set by time, but by profit or loss, and according to the feel of the day. Okay, that's true, Ricky. I know you spend a while on the charts. Okay, Ricky, how about I rephrase this? While you were still learning, how long did you spend on the charts? I'm around 67 hours, probably because I do a before and after market analysis. Okay. Joy Chow, you've been doing this for 4 months. Yes, yes. It wasn't too bad. Well, but it was oblivion. Okay. Yeah, it's valid. That's valid. Basically, that thunder and lightning and all that, I was flying in that last night. That was lots of fun. Yeah. I mean, pretty to fly through the clouds and see all the lightning and stuff, but, you know. It's very chill today, David, which is not a bad thing. It's never a bad thing to have a bit more of a chilled, you know, it is what it is. You've been trading since 2019. Damn, Merc, nice. Kenzie, what's up? How's it going? Welcome, welcome. I took a small loss today. I wasn't being patient. No, young Ferb, I'm so sorry. What happened? When? No, I landed last night, Geordie. Maybe it was cancelled afterwards, but no, I landed last night. And then I think the weather got worse. Oh my gosh. If it had been cancelled, I don't know what I would have done. I slept at the airport, I guess. I wasn't trading at the time, just learned a lot. I don't sleep much, so I spent loads of time every night learning. Okay, so conclusion is traders have insomnia. That's definitely what I found. You have insomnia, you good. You're good to be a trader. Obviously, Geordie. Obviously. Kenzie, am I alive? Oh, okay. Young Fro for gold? Oh, what happened? Oh, wait, you said you just entered too early, right? So that would have been a win. Now the price action's just creeping. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. No. Am I a hacker? No, I wish. That would be quite cool. What a cool story. But no, I'm not a hacker. This freaking smartwatch reminds me every morning. Jordy, I'm too scared to ever get a smartwatch. I'll become obsessed. Literally. Especially with like steps and things. I'll be like, have I done enough? Yes, I know for a fact I'll become pretty obsessed with that. Hey Michael, am I in a trade right now? No. So negative, these devices. I'm a businessman, Mackenzie. Just trading. I set up at 14 for gold. I just need to wait, and it's an 8++. Ooh, nice, young probe. Okay, that's good though. What was your streak, by the way? Young Ferb, what was your winning streak? Sorry, that was very random. Oh wow, and plus in trade. Nice, joy of travel. Awesome. Was on an 8-day streak. Damn, that sucks. I'm so sorry. 8-day streak's really good though. Well done. That was amazing. Like I said, maybe one day when I'm big, I'll have an 8-day streak, but for now, alas, it's not happening. Oh, cheers, Kenzie. Bye. Well, I say it's not happening. It will one day, right? We're gonna get there one day, and that would be vocal. But for now, we are still learning and watching and going.